She was sleeping on an air mattress and the home needed repairs. The yard needed a lot of work, and basic things most of us take for granted had become daily challenges. And yet she never asked for help. And we are surprising you to give you a home makeover. Marine Corps veteran Minnie Whitzel served our nation for 31 years, but after a difficult season forced her to start over, Minnie found herself facing challenges she never expected, and that's when her community stepped in. Veterans, neighbors, volunteers, local businesses, dozens of people coming together with one mission: to give back to a woman who had spent her life giving to others. What branch of service?
Army.
Marine brat.
U.S. Army.
Team Army.
Engineer, combat heavy.
Air Force.
Army.
What branch of service?
National civilian.
You're awesome! This is what America 250 is all about: coming together, volunteering, giving their time to help someone out. Because this is a home worth fighting for. Minnie gave 31 years of her life to the Marine Corps, and we're giving back to her. Okay, I gotta work. As America approaches its 250th anniversary, this isn't just a story about a home makeover. It's a story about service, sacrifice, and the extraordinary things that happen when people come together to show up for one another. This is Minnie's story.
It'll be an emotional day for sure.
Thank you very much.